Welcome to John Driving School, the place where even experienced drivers realize they don't know everything. Think you can pass today's road sign challenge without a single mistake? Let's find out. What does this road sign mean? 1. A. Lane shift ahead sign. B. Sharp right turn ahead sign. C. Exit ramp sign. Correct. Sharp right turn ahead sign. 2. A. Uneven pavement sign. B. Winding road ahead sign. C. Slippery road sign. Correct. Winding road ahead sign. 3. A. Stop ahead sign. B. Mandatory stop sign. C. Stop sign. Correct. Stop sign. 4. A. Traction control zone sign. B. Slippery when wet sign. C. Slippery road sign. Correct. Slippery road sign. 5. A. Wildlife area sign. B. Deer crossing sign. C. Rural zone sign. Correct. Deer crossing sign. 6. A. Construction area sign. B. Road work ahead sign. C. Shoulder maintenance sign. Correct. Road work ahead sign. 7. A. Two-way traffic ahead sign. B. Divided highway ends sign. C. Lane merge sign. Correct. Two-way traffic ahead sign. 8. A. Cross traffic sign. B. Four-way intersection ahead sign. C. Urban crossing sign. Correct. Four-way intersection ahead sign. 9. A. Right lane merge sign. B. Side road ahead sign. C. Exit only sign. Correct. Side road ahead sign. 10. A. Traffic merge ahead sign. B. Lane addition sign. C. Oncoming traffic sign. Correct. Traffic merge ahead sign. 11. A. Narrow bridge ahead sign. B. Road narrow sign. C. Single lane zone sign. Correct. Road narrow sign. 12. A. No turning sign. B. No U-turn sign. C. U-turn restricted zone sign. Correct. No U-turn sign. 13. A. Right lane closed sign. B. No right turn sign. C. Turn prohibited sign. Correct. No right turn sign. 14. A. Shared lane sign. B. Bicycle crossing sign. C. Bike route sign. Correct. Bicycle crossing sign. 15. A. Steep hill ahead sign. B. Truck descent warning sign. C. Steep grade ahead sign. Correct. Steep grade ahead sign. 16. A. Maximum speed zone sign. B. Speed limit sign. C. Highway speed indicator sign. Correct. Speed limit sign. 17. A. Railroad crossing sign. B. Metro crossing sign. C. Tram zone sign. Correct. Railroad crossing sign. 18. A. Mandatory direction sign. B. Controlled turn lane sign. C. Turn only sign. Correct. Turn only sign. 19. A. School area sign. B. School crossing sign. C. Playground zone sign. Correct. School crossing sign. 20. A. Traffic control zone sign. B. Signal ahead sign. C. Urban signal sign. Correct. Signal ahead sign. 21. A. Y intersection ahead sign. B. Split highway sign. C. Dual merge sign. Correct. Y intersection ahead sign. 22. A. Sharp left turn ahead sign. B. Side street sign. C. Lane shift sign. Correct. Sharp left turn ahead sign. 23. A. Reverse curve ahead sign. B. Winding road sign. C. Hazard curve zone sign. Correct. Reverse curve ahead sign. 24. A. Keep right sign. B. Right lane required sign. C. Directional divider sign. Correct. Keep right sign. 25. A. Gravel surface sign. B. Loose gravel sign. C. Rock hazard sign. Correct. Loose gravel sign. 26. A. Pedestrian crossing sign. B. Walk zone sign. C. Urban crossing sign. Correct. Pedestrian crossing sign. 27. A. Bridge ahead sign. B. Narrow bridge sign. C. Reduced width zone sign. Correct. Narrow bridge sign. 28. A. Low clearance sign. B. Dip ahead sign. C. Road drop sign. Correct. Dip ahead sign. 29. A. No commercial vehicles sign. B. Truck prohibited sign. C. No trucks sign. Correct. No trucks sign. 30. A. Racing zone sign. B. Checkpoint ahead sign. C. End of road work sign. Correct. End of road work sign. So, how many did you get right? Be honest. If you scored 100%, you're officially ahead of most drivers on the road. If not, that's exactly why you're here. Subscribe to John Driving School, because the next sign might save you from a ticket or something worse. See you in the next challenge.